You see the title in the thumbnail, so no need for a long introduction. You click this video for a reason. And here it is. Another unboxing. New Rolex box. If you know, you know. The old boxes are, I believe, discontinued as of 2024. There's the white case. It has the green outer now. It used to be like that little egg, that off-white color. It has the green sleeve on the outside, the green case I should say, and the green inside with the Rolex print on the front tab. I believe this is different. Maybe I'll do a comparison video later on. But it has the crown stamped right on top of the waves. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I gotta look at my other box, but it used to be like right here somewhere. It has the gold opening mechanisms exposed on the back. And let's go inside. I'll show everything that comes with it too. So obviously it comes with your GMT-Master II manual. Good quality on that. It comes with your warranty booklet and card. There's a booklet right there. The green card, let's cover up the serial number. The new green card, fresh date, brand new, never worn, unboxing with you all. And it has the green card, the new green card. So that's that. That's pretty dope. My wife's Rolex has the new green card. Her Datejust has a new green card. My Datejust doesn't have the new green card. It has the green and white card because it's a 2020. And I think they started doing those new ones in 2021, 2022, something like that. But that's that warranty booklet. Actually, I want to flip through this really quick because it has some good stuff in here. I mean, I don't have a GMT yet, so this is my first time looking through this. And it has table of contents, using your watch, Rolex service, Rolex.com. Let's see, using your watch. Ooh, that's the Batman, the blue GMT hand. That's the one I really want. Using your watch. Yep, there's the Batman again. We'll see though. That's the one I really want. I really want the Batman GMT, but I wear gold jewelry, and the zombie is, you know, it's the zombie. It's hot right now, especially that new Tiger dial. But this one is cool too. All right. So that's cool. Shows you how to use it. If you don't know how to use it already, the hour hand, minute hand, seconds hand, the day window, the bi-directional bezel. So I'll finish flipping through that. If you don't know how to use the watch, I would say go ahead and like actually read this. I mean, read it regardless. It's a part of like experiencing the watch and connecting with the timepiece. After every use, carefully screw back down the crown against the case. If you don't know, please always screw your crown down. That's what makes it waterproof. If you leave your crown open, water can get in through those gaskets and mess up the watch. No more flexing for you pouring the champagne on the Rolex. Alright, let's put that back. And now we will take out the watch. Literally brand new. I'm doing all this with you. Oh yeah, I'm wearing one of my favorite little beaters. It's my Seiko 5 diver. I was doing some stuff around the house, and I like to wear this watch, the Costco special. If you know, you know. But I'll leave that on for now. Let's open this bad boy up, and we see we have to protect the cover on the dial, and there it is. Oh yeah, it's the rest of the box. You have the Rolex engraving right here. And you have the place for your paperwork. I might start keeping my receipts in here too, especially when you get it from the AD. Just keep everything, you know, as original as possible. Let's put that to the side. Let's put that back together over here, actually. Let's start working on this. Always keep you a nice, clean microfiber cloth. Always. And here we have it. Let's get this camera in focus. Man, that's beautiful. This reference number, I mean, I don't know all the reference numbers. I definitely wrote this down so I can remember it. And especially with the GMTs, they get kind of confusing. But this one is the 126713 GRNR GMT-Master II, aka the Zombie, two-tone Zombie. Honestly, I think this is one of the best looking GMTs you can get right now. This thing is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And right now you can it's a two-tone bezel, so it has the gray on the bottom and it has the black up top. But most people in certain lights, you can't even tell. It looks like the older all black GMT-Master II. I want to say it comes in only the Oyster bracelet, because I've never seen the older ones that's all black two-tone on the Jubilee. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this looks good, bruh. It's a 40 millimeter case size. I brought my little measuring tool thing. I forgot what they call it, but we'll use that and measure the actual dimensions. I'll get that going in a second. Zero that thing out. But let's start taking some of this stuff off. I still have stickers on there. We're going to keep those stickers on there because if you've seen my Datejust with the Jubilee bezel, I absolutely abuse. I don't abuse it, but I wear my watch, right? So I don't worry too much about little hairline scratches. It's a watch at the end of the day. But I don't want this one to get messed up because, you know, brand new. GMT-Master II. Alright, let's get this off of the pouch. Let's get these hang tags off. It's a real unboxing. And there's your superlative certified hang tag. Rolex GMT certification. Let's put that to the side. And here is, oh, is that a serial number? I don't know. Oh, that's the reference number. Yeah, it's the 126713 GRNR. The Oyster M, that's the box. They have different size boxes too for different models. I know the Day-Date gets the biggest box. Some of those precious metals Daytonas, or maybe all the Daytonas, but I know some of the precious metal Daytonas get the bigger box too. Never been a big fan of the Daytonas, but they've been growing on me. There's that. Boom. Look at my fingerprints on the side. It don't matter, but let's just keep it clean for now. And there it is. Still got stickers on there. Brand new. Brand spanking freaking new. Got the stickers on the buckle. I'm not taking that off. Stickers on the clasp. Stickers inside the clasp. No stickers on the side. He took those off. And I told my guy, we have a good relationship. I won't say his name or what AD I got this from, obviously, but I said, bro, leave the stickers on there for me. I want to be the one to take those off. And he did that. And this is brand spanking new. Not a scratch anywhere. I haven't even worn this yet. Alright, let's get this on the wrist. It has a, I want to say it got like a close to a 3-day power reserve. I think I have to look it up. I'm pretty sure it has a 70-hour power reserve. Meaning that you can wear this watch and then take it off on Friday. And then when you pick it back up on Monday, it should still be on time. Has the bi-directional bezel. And this is what you use to set your third time zone. But you set your extra time zones with this. And you use your GMT hand to, let's unscrew this. I haven't even unscrewed this crown yet. This is tight. You know what? Let's not even mess with that right now. This isn't a review. Well, we can review it too. It's a little bit of a review already. And I'm not sure why this is so hard to unscrew. There we go. Oh, it's a sticker on that too. Stickers everywhere. Still a sticker on that. Yeah, let's keep that sticker on there too. Now it's unscrewed. Oh yeah. That's a good sounding crunch. One click out is how you change your GMT hand. And what's today? The 25th. So let's have fun. Let's put this all the way. Let's do another click out. Change your time. And now you see that GMT hand moves with the time. So let's get this to the next day. So now we're on the 27th. Can we pull this out one more time? No. I actually have to figure out how to use that. Do you have to like go all the way around all 27 days to? You can't. I can't imagine you got to do that. I hope not. That's inefficient. Yeah, I have to look into that. If you got to scroll all the way around the full month to set the date, then that's whack. I'm making this video on the 25th. And if you have to, it has to be a way to go back and forth, to only change the date. Maybe not. Have to look into the manual. But there it is. With this, and this is a true, let's see to the side, let's not scratch it. So there it is. .40 and some change millimeters. I'm not right on the side. Actually, it's a little under. 39.6 millimeters wide. But when you're like looking at watches and trying to see what fits you, I think this is way more important than the dial, the case dial, the dial diameter. This lug to lug. This is 47.6 lug to lug. And that's what's most important, I think, when you're trying to see what kind of watch fits your wrist. Ooh, and there it is. On the wrist, bruh. That thing is nice. That thing is nice. Yeah, I truly think the lug to lug is more important than the case diameter. So this is 40 millimeters on the case, but lug to lug is 47.6, and I think that's more important because if it's too big, it'll hang over. You can kind of see. If it's too big, it'll hang over the size of your wrist. Then it just doesn't look as good, right? You can kind of see it right there. It can hang over the size of your wrist if it's too big. This isn't too big for me. It fits me perfect. That's why about 40, 41 millimeters is about it for me, depending on the watch. But lug to lug, if it's within that 45 to about 48 millimeters, that's perfect because my wrist isn't huge, but it's not small either. So I can get away with it because my hands are big. But my wrist itself is only about, it's just under 7 inches. It's right at 7 inches. But man, this thing look good. Especially if you like me, you wear like gold, like wedding rings and gold jewelry. You know, it kind of looks good with the gold. This thing is clean, man. But that's it. That's the unboxing on the GMT-Master II. Zombie. And I'll do a comparison probably with this and the and my Datejust 41. I can't keep both. I'll probably get rid of the Datejust. I just don't need both. But we'll see. We'll see. Because this thing is looking good and I'm feeling this right now. This thing is clean. Yeah, I'll never take, you know, being able to buy this stuff for granted. I thank God every day for, you know, allowing me to have my family and have our house and be able to do these things and have everything we need. Because none of this is possible without Him. And all this is pointless without Him. If you don't have a relationship with God, get your priorities in order ASAP, please. Please, because the world is crazy, the end is near. And, you know, tomorrow isn't promised. Just get right with God first and, you know, all this stuff is extra. You can't take it with you anyway. It's meant to enjoy while you're here. But it's not as important as having a relationship with God. So get right. And get back to work. Get a job, man. Now you can buy it. Stop watching these videos. Get a job and you can go, you know, save up and get you a two-tone. Or all gold if you big ballin'. But this look good, man. This is clean. Man, that dial is crazy. It's kind of mesmerizing. That's it. I'm being extra cautious because it's so new and I don't want to mess it up. That's it, man. It's a blessing. Blessing.